Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is Shivaji gives slip to the emperor. This is lesson number 13. So I hope you have understood the last lesson which was taught to you, lesson number 12. I hope you have written all the question answers very neatly. Okay? If you have some problems, if you have some doubts, you can ask to me. So today we are going to learn Aurangzeb. Okay, so what happened there and how Shivaji gives sleep? Sleep means what? How he make fool of emperor and comes back to Maharashtra. We are going to learn that and see how bravely, how skillfully Shivaji uses his skills over there and how he just fools and just slips come out from the emperor's house to the Maharashtra, that is on Rajgarh. We are going to see now. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. Now, see what happens. Shivaji shows his spirit, means how courageous he was. He is showing his spirit. We'll see how he showed his spirit. On a pre-arranged day, Shivaji attended emperor's darbar. Now, see, on a pre-arranged day means the arrange was not done. So then also one day before he went at the darbar. Young Sambhaji Raje accompanied him. Now he took his son, that is Sambhaji Raje, with him to meet the emperor. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. Means it was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. In front of him stood his chief Sardar in serial ranks according to their status. Now you can see in the picture how they are standing in the means in a serial wise, and they are in the front of emperor. Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had put to the flight on many occasions, was in the rank ahead. So how many a times a man called Jaswant Singh Rathod, Marathas gave him many a time they defeated him and he was standing in the front. The emperor put the rose. Shivaji became angry and insulted. He turned his back on the royal presence and made for the residence. The news of this incident spread everywhere. Now, what happened? When Shivaji Maharaj was standing behind, so he got very angry, and as he gets angry, he moved from there and came to his residence, where he was staying, and this news spread everywhere. Okay, understood the first paragraph? Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Oh yeah. Emperor treacher. Now what happens the treacher we will going to see means the disloyalty, it is called as treacher. Aurangzeb ordered guards to posted around Shivaji's residence. Now what did Aurangzeb did? Aurangzeb told that to his guards, you should stand around where Shivaji is staying, you should stand around him. Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje thus became particle and proposes emperor's treachery. So with a very crucial thing, or this was very disloyalty, so they came to know. He realized that emperor would never let him return to the Maharashtra. Days and weeks passed. Now see, many days passed, many weeks passed, and they came to know that he is not going to leave to Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj pretended to the emperor for the permission to return to Maharashtra. Now Shivaji, what he did? Shivaji gave told many a times to Aurangzeb that I want to go back to my place, that is Maharashtra, so please let me go. He tried again and again, but every time his request was turned down. Means every time emperor did not he did not respond to his request. Now see what happens next. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from emperor's clutch. To begin with, obtained the emperor's permission to stand back. Now see what the Shivaji Maharaj did. Shivaji Maharaj Now he thought that now we have to play some idea and I have to escape from this. Soon after, Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill. Now see what did Shivaji Maharaj did? Shivaji Maharaj did that he told Aurangzeb that I am feeling ill, means I am not well. He complained to serve of severe pain in stomach. Doctors were called. Now what he did, he told that my stomach is totally paining. So you also do in the school that whenever your stomach is paining, you sit like that and you told that I want to, you cry, you tell that I want to go home. So like this, the same thing Shivaji Maharaj did. Shivaji Maharaj started sending a huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulavis for his quick recovery. Now what Shivaji Maharaj did for his quick recovery, means getting soon very well, so he started giving a huge baskets of sweets. Okay, he was giving sweets to the sadhus and Maulavis. Now you know what is sadhus and you know what are Maulavis. Okay, for why he sent it to them? For his quick recovery, that they should pray to God and I should get good health very soon. Okay, understood what Shivaji Maharaj did? See. Now let's see what happens. Escape from Agra. Now finally how he escaped from Agra we are going to see. In the beginning of the guards outside would examine the basket. In the course of the baskets. But after that the guards were also neglected because they also got tired of doing daily routine. Then Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje hide themselves in two of main basket that were going out. Now what? Now see what very skillfully what Shivaji Maharaj did. The Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje both, they sat in two of the baskets, means one basket Shivaji sat and one basket Sambhaji sat, and they were going out. At a previously fixed, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Maharaj got out of the basket. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with the horse kept ready for flight. Now see, finally Shivaji Maharaj came outside. His faithful servants were waiting. He sat on the horse and he flew away. Hiroki and Madri, two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task for freeing Maharaj for imprisonment. Now see what did Hiroki and Madri did? They were two servants and they helped Shivaji Maharaj to flew from the Aurangzeb's residence, and they were dressed like that. The Shivaji Maharaj is lying on the bed. The emperor came to know that Shivaji escaped the next day. Means the emperor Aurangzeb came to know next day. Today Shivaji Maharaj flew away from his residence, from his guards, make him full. And when he came, Aurangzeb came to know. That is on next day. He was filled with rage. His Sardar were frightened. Now what happened? Over country to trace Shivaji. Now what emperor did? He sent all over his army to search Shivaji Maharaj. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's net. Means once the Maratha lion is escaped, and it is very difficult to catch him again. So Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji Raje behind at a safe place at Mathura and reached Rajgarh. So see, in the introduction I told you how Shivaji Maharaj came to Rajgarh. So what he did, he alone came to Rajgarh, and his son, the young Sambhaji Raje, left behind at Mathura. Okay, you know Mathura, it is in, now also it is there, Mathura place. So in the north side, and he kept him safe there, and he reached to the Rajgarh. Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji back home. So yes, Jijamata, the Shivaji's mother, was also very, very happy that Shivaji came back safe to home. 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgarh. Means, see, after reaching Shivaji Maharaj at Raigarh, after 2 months, Sambhaji Raje was brought to the Rajgarh. That is also safely. Shivaji gave slip to the emperor and returned safely to the kingdom. This was in 1666. Now see, 666. So I will say 666 means it is 1666. So and he came back to his kingdom. So see how very skillfully, very bravely Shivaji Maharaj came to back to Rajgarh. See how we like these skills we have to implement in our life when we are in difficult situations, or we are outside, or you have lost yourself, you are going with your parents, and you should be very, very skillful, because when you go outside, you don't know how the people are, you are meeting to the unknown people. So like this, some incidents should not happen with you. We have to learn from this. Shivaji has taught us what to learn from this lesson. So what did Shivaji taught us? That we should use our brain. So now you should use our brain in studies and in sitting at home. So there is a small video, so please look towards it. So these are the images how Shivaji Maharaj escaped from Agra. So how, see the first images, he sat in the two baskets. You can see one is Sambhaji Raje is sitting and one Shivaji Maharaj is sitting. And see the two follower servants, the one is sleeping here, and at the last when they came out, the follow servants were waiting, and Shivaji Maharaj took his horse and came to Rajgarh. So there is a small video, please look towards it.
Shivaji gives the slip to the emperor. Young Sambhaji accompanied Shivaji to Aurangzeb's darbar. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday when Shivaji his court. Shivaji was arrested in Agra by Aurangzeb. Madari Mehtar was one of Shivaji's faithful servants who stayed with him at Agra. Shivaji pretended to be ill in Agra when he was under arrest. Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulavis for his quick recovery. The guards outside would examine the sweet baskets. Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed. As Hiroji was sleeping instead of Shivaji on his bed, Madari Mehtar was made to press his feet. Shivaji and Sambhaji got out of Aurangzeb's arrest in one of the sweet baskets. Hiroji and Madari escaped under the reason to get medicines for Shivaji. Shivaji kept Sambhaji at Mathura and reached Rajgarh. Shivaji escaped from Agra in 1666.
Okay, thank you, students. So stay home, stay safe, and do your studies. Okay, bye.